What is up, you guys? It's your girl Real Marie, back at it again with another video. We have two videos to get to you guys. Not we, but I have two videos to get to you guys, which is basically what I think you should pack as far as travel tips as well as travel essentials. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the travel essentials. I got all my stuff right here, well, most of the stuff. So this can go for regular travel, but kind of with the cruise travel from our experience on our last few cruises that we've taken. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and we just gonna drop the tea on different things I feel like you would need on a cruise vacation or just any vacation. You can take these tips, like I said, wherever, whatever type of vacation or travel. But for me, it's mainly about the cruising portion. First up, I have this makeup case that I am in love with. Got it from Amazon before our recent cruise, and what I love about it is, I'm scared, I don't want it to all fall out, but when you unzip it, it has so much room. Like, look at that, it kind of goes outwards, so I can put all my makeup in here. 9 times out of 10 I don't have this much stuff, like this is a lot, but I kind of go through it and just put all the makeup that I need, which is not too much because I'm gonna be out in the sun. So I feel like you can use this as makeup, but you can use it also as like a toiletries bag. And once you zip it up, it's pretty easy and manageable. So it's full right now, so it looks full, but if I had it like half full, it'll, you know, collapse to meet whatever's in here. So I really love this. I'm gonna try to have the link at the bottom in the description box, but I'm in love with this, and I love black and gold, white and gold, anything with gold. Your girl loves gold. So next, y'all, this was my saving grace on the islands, this portable fan. They have more that's even cuter now that I look on Amazon, but I'm trying to be responsible, so I already have one. So I'm gonna wait till this one goes out, then I might get the other ones that I saw. But this gets crazy. Like, see if y'all can see my braid moving. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Almost like Beyonce up in here. It gives you a lot of range. So yes, my fan packet, and it also has, it comes with a little charger in the back, so it's not battery powered, so I do love that, and it lasts a long time. I think I used it for all 3 days while we were on the island, and it didn't die, and it's still going strong right now. So I didn't use it a lot though, so I haven't truly tested it, but got this off of Amazon as well, and it's definitely one of my go-tos, not just for a cruise, but anywhere I know that we're going and it's a possibility, or it will be. Next is something that I did not have and I wish I had. So this video is gonna be some things that we learned too that we should have had, and that is first aid kit, but mainly medication. So as you know, we got sick on our last cruise, and they did not have the medication that I normally take to knock out whatever bug I normally have, which is Robitussin and Vicks Vapor Rub. Those two will knock it right out of me, especially when it's something dealing with like my sinuses and all of this getting clogged up. So I had to use their Dayquil and NyQuil, which doesn't work for me. It never really has. So I just had to keep doing that until, you know, we got home. Pack you some medication. I'm probably gonna get me a little medication case off of Amazon soon to pack all of that in a little. This little bag will work for me, honestly. A friend actually got me this, and it comes with like the little bandages, band-aids, and also a mask, which is another part of my essentials list, and I'll tell you why. I'm gonna be on this every single trip, every single vacation, not just a cruise. Next, I lost the little bag it came in, but reusable toiletry bottles. Y'all, these are my saving grace. I've been using these. I'll probably buy some every year just to make sure everything stays clean. But I love these, and I normally use them for my shampoo, conditioner. I usually use 2 types of soap for bathing and showering. So my cleaning shower gel and my smell good shower gel, I usually use that. And what I like about these, I got these on Amazon too, is that they're very flexible. So I can fill it up, it's easy to come out, and also it's easy to clean. You just pop this part off right here, and if you have a little scrubber, you can scrub it in there. And I actually put these in the dishwasher, so yeah, I love these and they're very durable. Right now I just have it in this little case, and I normally just pack that with my toiletries. Next, which is very important and that I forgot on our Royal Caribbean trip, sunscreen. Do not bet your bottom dollar that they're gonna have your sunscreen on the ship, because they did not have Banana Boat, they didn't have none of that. They had some Australian sunscreen that kind of broke me out a little bit. And if you have sensitive skin, just make sure you bring your product. Like, don't rely on the shampoo, conditioner, face wash, whatever that the ship has or whatever the hotel has. If you have sensitive skin, bring your own stuff. Like, that's top tier, okay? Neutrogena, my face breaks out easily. Like, I'm having breakouts now and I'm trying to figure out what's happening. Neutrogena is my favorite and the best sunscreen for me. I know it has a little white cast, but to be honest with you, I love a little white cast because I feel like it's really, I'm looking at it fighting the UV rays. So I'm cool with that. But the main thing that I like about it is that it's oil free. And that's what works on my skin. Oil free sunscreen. All the other ones, it gets oily after so long or so often you wearing it, and my face just doesn't need all that oil. So this is my saving grace. So I always have to make sure I have my own face sunscreen as well as a different body sunscreen, which I normally use Banana Boat. Sunscreen, guys, sunscreen. Even if you're a person of color, we need it all the time, okay? If you're going out in the sun, even with the sun rays coming through the window, we need sunscreen, baby. So make sure you pack it. Next, I cannot find the little small power strip that we have. But if you look on Amazon and do your research on the cruises, make sure you find one that's cruise safe. Surge protectors, do not get on there with a surge protector. They will take it. It's not okay. It's a fire hazard. But I'm just showing this because we use this at home. But on a cruise, if you haven't been on a cruise, they don't have enough charging ports at all. They're starting to now on the mega ships get a little bit more, but now they're starting to get just the USB and not the actual plugs. I don't know exactly what kind that is, but get you a little small power strip and get you one like the one we have. It's a little flat, small, it's not bulky like this at all, and it has like 4 of the USB ports and maybe 6 of the regular charging ports. Definitely look on Amazon. Some of them may say cruise safe, but they may not be cruise safe. Do your research before you go and get a power strip, but there are a lot of options on Amazon. Sunshades, y'all, please, especially if you're gonna be in the sun, baby. My eyes are sensitive, so I always have to have sunshades. Like right now, I feel like I need sunshades, but my go-to right now are these two. I don't know how to pronounce it. Loewe, I don't know. Dupes off of Amazon. And what I like just to pack lighter is get a pair that's gonna match most of my outfits, which neutral colors, black, brown. I have some light ones. If I have certain outfits that I know that I want certain shades with, I'll go ahead and get them. So yeah, sunshades 4 days, okay? And I also like to keep the little cases that come in. These are off of Amazon as well. Protect your eyes on them islands, baby. Shoes, I didn't bring them out. Shoes for every occasion, okay? Every occasion that you can think of. I understand that could be a lot. That could be a lot to pack. But just think about it. If you're going to be on an island up and down a lot of hills, or you're going to be active doing excursions that have like dirt in it, ATVing, different things like that, you may want to pack you some tennis shoes. So I would say at least 1 pair of tennis shoes, 1 pair of water shoes, because I can't stand sand on my feet. I hate it. It makes it ashy, and I always hated ashy feet. I don't like it rubbing together. It's like a real irk for me. Like, I do not like it. A pair of fancy shoes, I guess you could say, if you want to do elegant night. You may want to wear some, or you may want to wear like sandals, which I thought they were really strict about that, but they're actually not. I actually went with my sandals, which they weren't flip-flops, so they look cute. It was a little Hermes dupes. For me, those are my go-to because they're flat. I can easily pack them for like elegant occasions, and if I just want to wear sandals. The water shoes are a must for me. Tennis shoes, sometimes I pack them, sometimes I don't. I'll use my water shoes. But that one time we went to Jamaica and we did the ATV or dune buggy excursion and we got muddy up, I wish I would have brought my tennis shoes, but at the same time I kind of don't wish I brought my tennis shoes because the water shoes were cheaper and I could just throw them away and just give me some more. But if you're going to be doing a lot of walking, you want to wear something comfortable, so just think about every occasion, all the things that you're going to do on your cruise, and pack according to that when it comes to your shoes. Next, I would say a sweater, a pair of jeans. Just pack for every occasion. Like when we went and we needed ponchos because it was raining, I don't think that was a necessity to pack, but it really had me aware now. So it's like, okay, well, anything can happen, anything. It could be storming, it could be this, so let me just think more intentional about my packing. So on the ship, sometimes when you're outside or even in the theater or something like that, it can get cold. And I know for a fact on multiple cruises I've been on, if we wanted to watch a movie at night outside on the deck, it's cold. It gets windy and it's just cold on the water at night. So having a sweater, some pants or some tights, something that you can be comfortable in, I would suggest packing at least one pair of those just in case. And last but not least, wipes, Germx, and masks. Repeat after me, okay? Wipes, Germx, and face masks. That really should have been my number one, but I feel like I needed to go out with a bang, and this is a necessity, okay? When I tell y'all I have Germx in every nook and cranny of everything, like I have it in all purses, I have it in all bags, I have it on the side of my side of the bed, I have it on the side of Bay's side of the bed, I have it in the bathroom, I have it in my purses, each single purse, each single wallet, like it's everywhere. Germx heavily, 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 just when you're on vacation, when you're traveling. You know how you are, but you don't know how other people are. Help you to be safe. And also, you can help others being safe just in case, you know, you got issues. Which, the last ship, I totally regret not having a mask, not bringing a mask, just in case. And that's where we slipped up. Because when I tell you, every single vacation we normally take, I have a mask, especially for high trafficked areas like the airport. I always would have my mask on in the airport, the lines on the airplane, all of that, wipe down everything. Didn't do that this time and it caught me slipping. So never will happen again, okay? Okay, so having a mask in high trafficked areas. I know a cruise is high trafficked all the time, so you can do that too. But I know for Royal Caribbean, we did have a mask every time we went out onto the ship, and that was it. In certain places we still needed a mask at that time too, but I would suggest just definitely bringing and wearing a mask through that whole situation of an airport and in lines when you know you're about to be really close elbow to elbow on a lot of people. So that's basically my travel essentials list for now. If I have more, I'll add more in another video. But what's your go-to travel essentials? Like, what do you always pack, can't forget it, you need it, everywhere you go is gonna be in your bag? Better yet, you probably got it still sitting in your bag from your last vacation that's still unpacked somewhere near your closet. What is that one thing or multiple things? Just let me know down in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for some more videos coming to you guys. We're gonna probably take a little break on the travel, and I have some hair content to get to you guys. Hopefully some more content to get to you guys. I know I said in an earlier video that hopefully I'll be having a big announcement soon, still hoping, still waiting, still trying to wait for an answer. So once we get that, we'll be able to go ahead and announce it. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for over 200 subscribers now. Whew, I think I thanked y'all in my last video, but I wanted to actually thank you guys on camera. Thank you so much for joining the Rielle Marie family. And I'm gonna bust out this content for you guys, okay? And we do have another trip coming up later this year, and I cannot wait to bring you guys. I cannot wait. I'm preparing now. I'm preparing my content. I'm preparing my looks, preparing my body. So yes, stay tuned for that as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. And we are on the road to 250 subscribers. So if you can, please hit that subscribe button down below. Like your girl content, comment down below. Like I said, what's your favorite essential? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.